Hello friends, good evening and welcome to a new video. So tomorrow is 23rd of December, which is a weekend, and we are going to discuss about Nifty and Bank Nifty options trading. What are the possible levels you can enter into a trade? And before that, let's discuss about what happened in market today and what are the trades that I have taken. So if anybody has seen yesterday's video, I have clearly marked some important levels and also I have updated some of important points in live market, like whenever there is a opportunity for trading, I have updated in my Telegram channel. If you want to join this channel, you can find the link in the description. Okay, so we will discuss one by one, and before that, let me share you my screenshot of my portfolio. Okay, so these are the trades that I have taken. All three trades are in Nifty and in the put side, and I have made very good profits today. Thank God. Let's discuss what are the trades that I have taken. So the first trade I have taken in Nifty is somewhere around here. And the reason is because, see, as per yesterday's OI chart, I confirmed that if Nifty is going to be in a gap up position, like if it is opening gap up, it will try to, come down to yesterday's closing level. And this is my first analysis. And the second analysis is that if 18,300 is like Nifty is facing 18,300 resistance, it cannot break this level, it might fall down. And also, as per the OI chart, we had high resistance at 18,300 and upwards. There are possibilities that Nifty can fall down in the first 5 to 6 candles. So this is why I have taken a trade, and this was a risky trade, and this is the reason why I have not updated in my Telegram group or I have mentioned in the video yesterday. Only trades that are confirmed and very high, low risk, I will update in the group. So this is the first trade I have taken, and as per my intuitions, Nifty has gone down. It has reached almost like an 18,200 level. And then what I have updated in Telegram, the first trade I have given in Telegram group is market will fall up till 18,200, which was yesterday's closing level, and then it will raise back maybe up till 18,240 or 250 level, and again it will fall from there. We can enter a PE position in this area. And what we can see is that Nifty has it reached almost around 18,250 level. Okay, it has not closed above 18,250, like it exactly closed somewhere around 18,245 level, and again it came down. Seeing this, if you can see, I will just update my fib level so you can understand what is the reason behind taking this trade. You can see here it is zero point 0.5. The level where it reacted is at zero point 0.5 level. So these are the three important levels, either 0.382 or 0.5 or 0.618. If you find rejections from these area, there are possibilities Nifty is going back from this level. So keeping in this mind, I have given this trade for you. And also, if you find a good price action, if you find the red candle and the next red candle is going below it, you can enter a trade. This is where I have entered my second trade. And the second trade, it came all the way downside, and it reacted exactly on this particular trend line that I had drawn yesterday, and it was respecting this trend line. The first swing, it just touched the trend line and it tried to go up, and again it came down, it touched the trend line and it was trying to go up. Okay, so this is where I entered my first trade. The second trade, okay, so seeing this particular trend line as met, I exited my trade somewhere around here. My first two trades, the first trade I have taken in the morning, and the second trade I have taken after this retracement. I have exited both the trades somewhere around here. And after that, what I can see is that we again Nifty has gone up, taken a retracement. So when I updated my fib level, I can see that the retracement was happening exactly at this level, 0.236 level, and I was expecting a small downfall again back to the trend line. And again, I took my third trade over here, and I ended up exactly, I just quit my trade at this green candle. So this is how I made three trades, and these three trades have given me good profits. So let's discuss about what happened in the Telegram group. What I have mentioned, see here, market will fall from this is already I just discussed right now, and this is the level I have marked. Okay, drawing the fib level, I thought it will retrace from 0.382. That's why I mentioned 18,240 or maximum 18,250 level. So market retraced from here. Again, we had a very good option in put side. So in Bank Nifty, I updated if Bank Nifty is coming out of this box, it can go down until 42,200. And again from there, if it is breaking this level, it can go up to 41,900. And if it is breaking this again, it will go down. So what happened in Bank Nifty? Let's see Bank Nifty chart. So in Bank Nifty, what happens? We had no enough momentum in Bank Nifty actually. See, it broke the zone. It went back inside. It broke the the resistance, which is 42,600, and it again came back. Okay, so Bank Nifty was inconsistent. Like we cannot enter into a trade in Bank Nifty, and it was risky. So this is the reason I did not enter a trade in Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty was not reliable today. Okay, and also as per Nifty, if you remember my 3 days, 4 days back video, I already mentioned that we will not be able to find a huge momentum in Bank Nifty downside because Bank Nifty cannot be affected by the last Fed meeting results. The main infected area will be Nifty 50. So Bank Nifty will hold in a very tight level and it will not give much momentum. I already mentioned in that video. So this is what happened in Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty is not giving me such a good momentum. So I concentrated more on Nifty. In Nifty scenario, we can expect fall until 18,000 level. That is the target one. And the target two will be trailing SL. You can trail the SL after it fall below 18,000 level. So this is what I mentioned. So here I mentioned at 9:43, do not enter a trade unless it break yesterday's low in Nifty. Else you have to wait until it is going back to 18,250 level and revert back. This is what I mentioned at 9:44 a.m. See here. You can see the chart 9:44 a.m. where it is 9:44, almost at this green candle. I mentioned you are not supposed to enter a trade at this particular area. You have to wait until it retraces back to 18,200 and reverts, or it should reach at least 18,000. At this particular stage, if you updated the fib level, you can see that here this is the level zero point 0.5 level or zero point 0.3 level. Okay, I was expecting, I wanted the levels to reach back to either of this level. So this is why I mentioned at least it has to reach 18,245. That is the middle range. That is zero point 0.5 range. So if we are getting this level or 18,250 level, and from this level, this zone, if it is rejecting, you can enter a put option. This is what I mentioned here. At 10:30 I just mentioned, okay, we have a perfect trade, keep trailing your SL. So this is we had that trade, we entered into put option, my second trade. After that I mentioned that we have entered a perfect trade. Now you can keep trailing your SL. Okay, almost 175 1750 profit. Okay, this was updated at 10 a.m. At this particular point of time, I had a profit of for per lot, I had a profit of 1750 level at which is 35 points. Okay, please trail your asset. I just update regularly at regular interval of time. Okay, so at 10 a.m. I mentioned that if anybody wanted to have a second entry, so now it will retrace to 18,200 level and come back. Anybody wanted to have a second entry, here it is the area 18,200 resistance, but the same it will be a scalping trading, not like a long momentum trading. So target yesterday's day low or trailing asset. So this is what I mentioned at 10 a.m. See, where is 10 a.m.? Somewhere around here. Okay, so at this particular point, I mentioned that it will fall down, it will retrace to 18,200, it will take support, and then only you have to enter a scalping trading from here. Okay, this is what I mentioned, because if anybody has missed the trade from here, you should not enter the trade in between the red candles because it is high risky. Your stop loss will be here, and if in case market reverts, your stop loss will be huge and it will hit your stop loss and you will end up in huge loss. So this is the reason why I said you have to wait till the next level, which is 18,200. If you see that this is crossed and taken a retracement, you can enter into a trade. And here after if anybody was listening to this channel, they could have entered in the second chance trade. This was a scalping trade, but after that we had a very big red candle which almost given you a huge profit until the trend line was met. Mark this level 18,185. Nifty is trying very hard to maintain this level of support. Okay. Also in option chain, you can see that. See, option chain data was totally changing. Yesterday it was somewhere around 200,000 contracts, and it was like 100 something contract, and it was building up the support over 18,000 level, and this area. And because of this support, market was not giving a huge fall at this particular point of time, like 10:14. Okay, so almost at this particular point, this was Nifty. Okay, so almost at this particular point, the momentum was a little bit lesser. So I just checked the OI chart, seeing that the green candles are raising up. Okay, so seeing this particular area, I just mentioned that in the Telegram group, and after that it fell down, fell down. It was a slow motion, but still we booked our profit over here, and it was exactly 10:39 a.m. And let's see what I have mentioned in 10:39. Zero chance already happened in Nifty, friends. Good day for me today. There is no more trades. I get my. This was exactly at 10:18 a.m. I think, my friends, we can exit this trade 10:24. Almost 3,000 plus profit I have booked per lot. Okay, this was updated at 10:24 a.m. So here, after 10:24, somewhere around here, I quit my trade. Okay, so I was trialing my SL little by little, and somewhere around here I quit my trade. Okay, so this was my two trades, the first two trades, and this third trade was happened somewhere around here. See in this retracement. See, if I update the fib level, you can see that there was a retracement. Again, there was a retracement from this level, and I took a scalping trade, and I ended up with a result somewhere around here in this green candle. I exited, and that was my third trade. Okay, so again I updated the IO chart for you, and I mentioned short build-up in PE side. That means we are about to exit the trade. It is time to exit the trade in the put side, because it will be risky to continue holding that. So market will consolidate now. I already mentioned at 10:27 a.m. Okay, here I mentioned chance to fall in high momentum is less likely. Now, unless there is a trend reversal, we will not enter in CE side. Until then, if required, we can enter into PE scalping trading only. You can enter into a PE scalping trade. This is updated at 10:29 a.m. and see 10:29 a.m. somewhere around here. I was waiting for a scalping trading 10:29 some after this level. After exiting this trade, I was waiting for a scalping trading, and this is the reason why I entered into a scalping trading here. Okay, this is what I mentioned at 10:39. Bank Nifty is not showing momentum today, so I will concentrate more in Nifty 50. So fair warning at 10:41, I mentioned a fair warning. Nifty is currently in blue trend line as mentioned in yesterday's video. Let's be careful. If anybody is not exited their trade, please trail your SL. So I just given a warning at 10:41 a.m. That is 10:41 a.m. is somewhere around here. See, it was respecting the blue line. So this is the place where we can exit our trade. See, before this upward trend, I mentioned that you can book your profit here. Okay, and we will find a chance, because maybe this uptrend can go up till 18,200, which will eat most of your profit. So this is the reason why I asked you people to exit your trade somewhere around here, and if there is another chance, we can go for a scalping trade. So this is the reason I mentioned this note. Remember this picture. See here, this is what I mentioned. See, in the morning I updated this picture almost at 9:32. This will be the cheat code of Nifty today. Nifty fell down. It took support somewhere around 18,200. It has to retrace. You entered a trade here, and again it will come up till this level, which is the blue line. So let's see what exactly has happened. See, we took the trade over here, and all the way we booked our profit here. So my first trade, second trade was finished at this particular point. Again, at 12:34, I just updated my portfolio for you. Somewhere around 21,600 I made profit today, and done for the days. My rule is like, if you make enough profit for one day, you just close your laptop and relax. This is the main thing. This is one of the biggest rule that you have to follow in trading. So if you have your enough capital or enough percentage of profit, exit the trade. Don't go for more profit. If you go for more profit, whatever you gain, there are chances that you can. The reason is because whenever you see big amount which is pouring into your account, you will get overexcited, and this overexcited will result in false decisions. And this is the reason that we say we need to control your emotion, both positive and negative. In case it is red, you are losing 20,000 rupees, you will be trying to recover that money. But in case if you're getting more money, if you're in plus 21,000, you will be feeling, oh my god, this is my lucky day, so I'm going to enter into a bigger trade. And that is where you lose your money. So whatever you have received from the market, take it and keep it with you. Try not to lose whatever you have got in today's market. This is the basic rule. Okay, this is my trades. The first trade I have taken is this one. The second trade actually in between, the second trade which was 18,250 level, it actually hit my SL. In the next 5 minutes, again I entered into the very same trade because I know that Nifty is going to go down at from 18,240 level. This is that trade. So now let's see what are my other analysis. This is Nifty IT. See here, Nifty IT has taken strong support over this area. Unless this support is broken, and if it is broke down, we can expect fall in Nifty also. Unless and until this support is there, acting strong, we cannot find fall in Nifty. This is what I mentioned. So again, I mentioned in Bank Nifty, it is not willing to fall as per my video. After Fed meeting, I already mentioned that about the interest rate hiking and all those things. I mentioned in that particular video that Bank Nifty cannot go down with a very high momentum because banking sectors cannot be affected much with that particular news. But Nifty can. But we expect high speed of momentum in Nifty. So as an option buyer, I am concentrating more on Nifty 50. This is what I mentioned at 1 p.m. And now market is giving false breakout. There can be huge green candles followed by huge red candles. So be careful. So now what I mentioned is that Nifty, if it is breaking the higher level, which is 18,040, it can reach 18,184 or maximum 18,200. And from there, again, it can come back. So there is a screenshot I have updated. I just mentioned this trend line, which was a short-term trend line. Anybody who wanted to enter a small scalping trading can enter into a trades if this line is met, and if you see the price reacting from this line and going up, you can go for a scalping trade. And this is just an update. Let's see. So at 1:27 p.m. seeing the IO chart, I mentioned that it can raise up till 18,200 level, but it is not yet time to enter into a call side trading. So please be careful. Please enjoy. So I already mentioned those who have already made profit today, please enjoy by closing your laptop. Asking for more money is greediness. So you have to maintain our views. Okay. So all these things I mentioned in the Telegram group. So here I mentioned more premium DK is happening, so do not fall into trap. So here again I have mentioned a cheat line. This is where Nifty can go. This is one of the scenario. So in Nifty 50, I mentioned here that it is almost touched this blue line. It crossed it. It actually broke the blue line today. Okay, and it crossed below 18,100 level. It came back again. There was an up and downs. So here when I see it went inside the trend line again, and I drew this cheat code. So Nifty can go in this consecutive lines in today's market. Maybe it can again treat this trend line and go up. It can go up and down in between. So this is what I mentioned here. Okay, so now what happened in Nifty? Exactly that cheat line is met. See, it went down. That's the below line. Again, it went down. It came back, and again it came back all the way to touch, just to come and touch this trend line, and from there it raised up. This is the 3 p.m. candle somewhere around here. Okay, so this is what Nifty has done today. This is my Telegram group. If anybody has not joined, please join. And I think this is a long video right now, so it will be considered as a learning. So what will happen in Bank Nifty and Nifty charts tomorrow? I will update a new video. So please stay tuned for that video. And please, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please try to subscribe and press the bell button on. Also, if you like my video, give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions, put it in my comment box. And also, please try to share it with as many people as you can. Okay, so let's see in the next video. Thank you.